if you are looking for some support for current affairs, if you are a fresher, you are a working professional, you are a repeater, but you want some support for current affairs, then I have a program for you. I have given the brochure and also the announcement video link in the description. You can watch if you are interested. Hello all, welcome back to Current Affairs Hitlist series. I am Guna Mathivanan from Office's IAS Academy. In today's video, we are going to discuss about sovereign gold bond scheme. Now, let me explain this sovereign gold bond scheme with a kind of analogy. Let me take an example and then I will explain so that you will understand it well. Okay, sovereign gold bond scheme. Now, let's assume Guna is having 10 lakh rupees in his hand. Now, Guna wants to invest. Guna is thinking of investing in a land, bond, share market. But Guna thought all these are not easy. It also comes up with risk. Land, it is not easy to go and invest. It takes some time. Bond, shares, there is some risk involved. So Guna thought the safest bet is gold. Let's go and buy 10 lakh rupees worth gold. Let's go and buy 10 lakh rupees worth gold. Right, that was the idea. But now Guna is going to the shop, but RBI governor is holding my hand. Yes, RBI governor is saying, Guna, stop. Guna, stop. Don't go, don't buy gold. I will give you an interesting option. You invest there. Guna is asking, what is that interesting option? RBI governor says, Guna, if investment is in your mind, you are trying to buy gold for investment purpose, then don't buy gold, you buy gold bond. You buy gold bond. Right? So now the discussion is going on between Guna and RBI governor. So Guna says, I am going to buy gold. RBI governor says, no, you please buy gold bond. Now Guna is saying, see, gold bond. Bond means there will be interest. I will get interest. But if it is gold, gold will appreciate. Gold will appreciate. Today I buy it for 10 lakh rupees. The same value gold, tomorrow it can become 11 lakhs, 12 lakhs. It will appreciate faster. But bond means it will have interest. That's all. So Guna was saying that I will go for buying gold only. Now RBI governor said, who said gold bond will not appreciate? Gold bond will also appreciate. It will also appreciate. The price of the gold bond is linked with the price of the gold. Right? The price of the gold bond is linked with the price of the gold. So when the gold value increases, the gold bond value will also increase. The gold price increases, the gold bond value will also increase. Correspondingly, it will increase. So RBI says that you have not understood it well. The price is linked with the gold. As gold appreciates, equally the bond will appreciate. So RBI says, Guna, you buy gold bond. Now Guna says, appreciation and all is okay, but this gold bond is just a paper. It is just a paper, but gold is something real. I can touch, I can feel happy by looking at that yellow metal. But gold bond is just a paper. Gold is appreciating, paper is appreciating. Let me buy paper only, gold only. Why should I get paper? RBI governor says, you are correct. But don't you think that holding gold is very challenging? You have to protect it. You cannot simply keep 10 lakh rupees worth of gold in your home. There is a risk involved. Theft risk is involved. But this is just a paper. And this paper is available in demat format also. Demat format means digital format. Dematerialized format. Okay. In digital format also this is available. You buy this 10 lakh rupees worth gold bond, you can save it digitally. So gold has a risk. Okay. But this gold bond is available in digital format also, so there is no risk. You can save it in your server, right? So the problem when compared to physical gold in the sovereign gold bond is going to be less in terms of theft risk, I'm saying. But Guna says, RBI, what you are saying is correct, but I have bank locker. I have bank locker. I will put my gold in that bank locker. It is safer now. Now RBI says, Guna, you are correct. But if you put it in bank locker also, you have to pay some locker fee. You have to pay some locker fee to the bank. So if it is going to be a gold bond, there is no such concept of fee. So you need not worry only. But Guna says, all right, but still I have a concern towards gold. This is just a paper. I will prefer, this locker fee is going to be small when compared to the gold amount. So I will prefer buying gold only, Guna says. Now RBI governor says, all right, Guna, all right. Now this is 10 lakh rupees worth of gold you are buying. Now after appreciation, assume it becomes 12 lakh rupees. Then you have got a gain of 2 lakh rupees. You have got a capital gain of 2 lakh rupees. For this 2 lakh rupees, you have to pay capital gains tax. You have to pay tax. But if it is going to be sovereign gold bond, you are buying 10 lakh rupees worth gold bond. You are buying gold bond. That appreciates to 12 lakh rupees. Now you have made a gain of 2 lakh rupees. For this 2 lakh rupees, there is no capital gains tax. You need not pay capital gains tax. Now Guna is getting shocked. What is this? For the gains, for the appreciated amount, there is no tax. I can have it in demat format. It will also appreciate. Gold is also appreciating. It looks very lucrative. Guna is feeling. But at the same time, Guna says, all right, Guna says, see, if it is gold, I can sell it anytime. What about gold bond? Is it possible to sell? Guna is asking. RBI says, yes, you can sell. Who said gold bond cannot be sold? It is true that gold bond has 8 years of lock-in period. Generally, a bond has a lock-in period. So, there is a lock-in period. But who said it cannot be sold? So, you buy gold, you can sell it. You buy gold bond, you can sell it. Like how you sell a share in the share market. So, in the stock markets, I have a company's share, I can sell it in the share market. Like that, in the share market, this gold bond can be sold to other person. Though there is a lock-in period, that doesn't matter, you can sell it. So, regular gold can be sold. Gold bond can also be sold. Now, Guna is more impressed. Now, Guna is asking RBI governor, RBI, can we mortgage this gold bond? Because this gold can be mortgaged. So, in the bank, if I want to borrow money, I can mortgage this gold and I can borrow. Now, is it possible to mortgage the gold bond and borrow? Guna is asking. RBI says, yes, you can. So, Guna, you buy this gold bond. That gold bond, 10 lakh rupees worth gold bond. You need some money. You can mortgage, you can pledge that gold bond in the bank and you can borrow money. Now, Guna is completely flat. Gold bond will appreciate. Gold bond can be sold. Gold bond can be pledged and borrowed money. So, gold bond is similar to that of gold and more safer, paperless, available digitally. So, Guna is so happy. Now, RBI says, wait Guna, I will give you one more offer. This gold bond, along with the appreciation, it will give you 2.5% interest. I buy 10 lakh rupees worth gold bond, that is going to appreciate to 12 lakh. That is different. Along with that, RBI says, I will give you 2.5% interest on this 10 lakh rupees. I will give this 2.5% interest on this 10 lakh rupees. But however, for that interest amount, you have to pay tax. Here you get a gain of 2 lakh rupees. For that gain, there is no tax, but this 2.5% interest will be given on this 10 lakh rupees, right? For which tax has to be paid. Guna is so happy. That's a small amount of tax. Guna is so happy. It's a wonderful option. So Guna said to RBI, I am going to buy this.